quickest and easiest way to learn Spanish.
This is exhilarating. Get excited.
Hey everyone, it's Mr. Sparking Eyes here. How to learn Spanish?
How to introduce yourself in Spanish. Hola, soy Sparking Eyes. Mucho gusto. Hi, I'm Sparking Eyes. Nice to meet you. Hola, soy Sparking Eyes. Mucho gusto. So the first one is hola, meaning hi or hello. After that, we got soy. Soy means I am. So hola, soy, and then your name. Hola, soy Sparky, which means hi, I'm Sparky. And after that, you can just say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. And if you want to put it all together, you can go with hola, soy Sparky. Mucho gusto. Hi, I'm Sparky. Nice to meet you. And that is a very polite and common way to greet somebody. Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times. And here's another way to introduce yourself. Instead of using the word soy, you can just say me llamo. Me llamo Sparking Eyes. That means I am Sparking Eyes. But you already know that, don't you? So that simply comes off as my name is Sparking Eyes. Me llamo Sparking Eyes. Let's go practice it one more time. Hola, me llamo Sparking Eyes. Mucho gusto. Hi, I'm Sparking Eyes. Nice to meet you. Please pause the video and repeat that 3 times. Hola, me llamo Sparky. Mucho gusto. And now practice the first one again. Hola, soy Sparking Eyes. Mucho gusto. Hello, I'm Sparking Eyes. Nice to meet you. And now the second one. Hola, me llamo Sparky. Mucho gusto. Hi, my name is Sparky. Nice to meet you. Let's pause the video and repeat that 3 times. Alright, now that we established that, we'll move on to the next level in next video.
Till next time.